Open Deadlock settings, go to video on the left, then set your rendering API to DirectX 11. On Windows, start with DirectX 11. If it's already selected, test Vulkan instead. Linux and Bazzite users, you should use Vulkan first. Restart Deadlock if you're prompted, then repeat the same mode or action that's been causing the crash. If it stays open now, this render is more stable on your system. If Deadlock still crashes, close out of the game, open your Steam library, right-click Deadlock, select Properties, open Installed Files, and select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will check for missing or damaged files, and it'll download any replacements, repairing the game. Let it finish, then launch Deadlock, and repeat the same crash test. If it works, the repaired file has solved the problem. If it still crashes, download the latest stable graphics driver from the official NVIDIA or AMD link in the description. If the crash has started immediately after a driver update, install the previous stable version instead. If Deadlock still crashes, report exactly what you're getting through the official Deadlock bug report forum. If other games are also crashing or your entire PC restarts, you might want to troubleshoot Windows, temperatures, memory, and hardware stability separately.